Hi friends, welcome to Smart Blog. Today I'm going to explain Coal India results. So due to lockdown and our Coal India results has been delayed. So there is some good news that Coal India establishment is has started its operations. So in few weeks we are expecting our results. Maximum we can get the results by June first week. So today I am going to explain the branch wise cutoff, and also I'm going to explain the expected cutoff, and the depends upon the paper tough. So coming to civil, so here I'm going to explain the previous cutoff and the expected cutoff and the category wise. So previous cutoff for physically handicapped is 88 and 141, and for ST is 145, and for SC 147, and OBC 154, and for general is 159. And here we have estimated the cutoff based on the uh, tough of the paper. So physically handicapped, generally there won't be any change. It will be same at 88 and 141, and for ST will be 135, and for SC is 140, and for OBC criminal it will be at 149, and for generally it will be max up to be 150 only, because it today, as per our information, the paper is very tough. And coming to the electrical, previous cutoff is for physical handicap is 895, and other is 131, and for ST is 143, and for SC is 144, and for OBC it's 154, and for general it's 161. And here is the expected cutoff, and there will be not be any change in the cutoff for the physical handicaps, and it will be same at 95 and 125. And coming to the SC, previous cutoff is 143 and the present cutoff is 135, and for SC previous cutoff is 144 and current is 138. For OBC is 145, and for general is it will be max at 150. And coming to the other branch, it's mechanical, and previous cutoff for the for physical handicap is 96 and 146, and for ST is 156, and for SC is 161, and for OBC is 170. And coming to general, it's 175, and the expected cutoff based on the paper, and there will be not any change in the, as usually it's same as 96, and for other physical handicap for 138. And for ST previous cutoff is 156 and present cutoff will be 148, and for AC previous cutoff is 161 and present cutoff will be 155. And for OBC previous cutoff is 170 and present cutoff is 162, and for general previous cutoff is 175 and present cutoff is 170. And other branch, coming to the finance, previous cutoff is for physical handicap is 116 and 124, and for ST is 65, for SC is 115, for OBC is 134, and for general is 148. So based on the paper we have the estimated cutoff, and there will be not be any change in the physical handicap. It say will be at 110 and 115, and previous cutoff for ST is 65, and there will be not any change in the ST because it is at already at lower, and expected cutoff will be only at 65 only. For SC it is 115, and expected cutoff will be 105, and for OBC it's 134, and the expected cutoff will be 125, and for general is 148, and expected cutoff is so friends, I hope this information is very useful to you, and if you like the information, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.